All right, so here are your stock price predictions for Palantir for this upcoming week. Now, Palantir had an excellent week, and the momentum seems to still be going to the upside. Now, a couple of things we have to think about for this upcoming week is Jerome Powell will be speaking Tuesday in Portugal. We've got initial jobless claims on Wednesday. The Fed minutes also comes out on Wednesday as well. And then we've got some U.S. unemployment data coming out on Friday. So we have all of that going on this week. And then we also have news last week that Palantir is going to be doing a partnership with Voyager Space. And then the week before that, the Advanced Research Project Agency for Health partners with Palantir to accelerate health outcomes by leveraging data software tooling. Okay. So we've got all this going on with Palantir. Okay. So overall, the sentiment across the board is bullish for Palantir. So right now we're sitting at $25.38. And so what we're going to have to do is turn some of these levels of resistance into support. Okay. So the next leg that I have is $26.61. If we can find a strong level of support there, we can work our way up to $27.52. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing for next week if the momentum is going to keep going to the upside. All right. Now, to the downside, I'm going to bring this out to the 1 hour chart. To the downside, if we're going to come down, we'd be looking at $25. So we'd be testing that $25 mark. If we're not able to find a level of strength there, then we'd come down to about 24.68. All right. Now, we don't know if more good news is going to come out surrounding Palantir. If more good news comes out, we're definitely going to be going to the upside. Now, one thing I like to do here is take a look at what's going on across the board as far as the unusual options activity. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this so we can go ahead and see what's going on here. Okay. This kind of, gives us some foresight into where the whales are trying to at least bring the stock into the shorter term. Okay, so this is why this is important. Now, looking at the call side of the spectrum, we can see that we have some buying activity. It looks like most recently the biggest buy was $1 million with an expiration date of December 2024. Okay, so that's the biggest one. Then we have some sales stating that basically Palantir won't be above $22 on December of 24. So we've got a little bit of mixture of the bulls versus the bears here, but ultimately, looking at the premiums, the buys are winning as far as premium size. Okay, now if we look at the put side of the spectrum, there's not much going on here. There's an active buy from someone with a premium of $37,000, and they're saying by it looks like July of 2024, Palantir is going to be coming down to $25, and they've probably gotten up out of that play by now. So overall, this is kind of where the whales are kind of looking. There's a lot more activity on the call side. Okay. So from this perspective, at least in a short term, they're trying to move this thing up higher. Okay. So that's where we are with Palantir. Now, we've looked at the levels. We looked at the activity. We talked about the news. Overall, the way it's looking in a short term, even as it pertains to the movement of the overall market, Palantir still closed the day out on Friday positive, which is a good sign. So from that perspective, Hopefully, we can continue the momentum up. If we do have a pullback, for me, I think it would be a good buying opportunity for me, but that's just me. Okay. So again, guys, these are your price predictions for Palantir for this upcoming week, which is going to be July 1st through the 5th. Maybe we'll do a midweek recap. If you guys want that, let me know. Until the next time, guys, we're out. Peace.